Look at that. That fucker is zoomed fucking in right there.
Okay, well, pages. I know, man.
Yeah, wow. Look it. Oh fuck, I lost it.
Dave, you got your rubber boots on.
You just gotta let the current work for him.
Yeah. Oh, he's going back downstream, no wonder. Whoa, this is going to be too cool, man.
I think he's screwed with it.
Everyone. Hey, this makes these salmon spawn better. I ain't shitting you either. It's a fucking true fact. This is true fact, man.
Jump on!
I'm gonna send this son of a bitch to ODFW. Yeah, right. I fucking talk about extortion. Yeah.
Bet she's getting tired.
That's how I make my money, man. Fucking somebody else's wife up.
Get up. Take that chain over there, Dave. He's getting right in the current there now. He's out of the worst part of the current. Fuck, you get a drop now.
Going downstream.
Getting swept downstream.
That's amazing. That thing's still running though. He's got air cleanered up. I know he does.
Thank God they used RTV fluid on that.
I got a bunch of pictures.
Keep shooting if you see something, man. Shoot other people around too.
Yeah,
everybody is here. It's unlimited. Fucking pictures are unlimited. Because I go down, I download on my fucking computer, and I just zero again. I film, man. It's like free.
You tell me he went wrong right when he turned his nose with the current. That's when he went wrong.
Judge, and if you're on the sports setting, okay, over here.
Fuck me, dude.
Sports, just hold that motherfucker down. You know what it is? 3 shots per second.
Yeah, I did.
Like that, and you get fucking action going.
The guy at
Hey, see if that works.
His dad and I are pretty good. His dad has a farm out by me. And,
okay, yeah, that's where I just checked to see if I had enough light for it was all. Okay, I got a fucking